Ready to breathe new life into that dusty old machine, or just want a super efficient virtual workspace? First, download and install VirtualBox from VirtualBox. It's free and works on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Once you have downloaded VirtualBox from their website, install the application. Open VirtualBox and click New to start creating your virtual machine. Give it a name like Lightweight Ubuntu and select Linux for the type and Ubuntu 64-bit for the version. Now for the magic. Allocate your RAM for a lightweight VM. 1024 megabytes 1 gigabyte is usually plenty, but you could also go lower at 512 megabytes if your system requires it. Next, create a virtual hard disk. Choose Create a virtual hard disk now, then VDI for the disk file type, and dynamically allocate it to save space. For the disk size, 20 gigabytes is usually sufficient for a lightweight system. Finalize your settings and click Create. But we're not quite done yet. This is where we start optimizing for light use in VirtualBox. Select your new VM and click Settings. Then Storage, click Empty Disk and select your Ubuntu ISO file. If you do not have one, visit Ubuntu.com and download the latest desktop version. Go to System and Processor. Assign one CPU core to the VM. Multiple cores will use more resources. Then make sure that you enable EFI in the motherboard section of the system settings in VirtualBox. In the display settings, lower video memory. For lower resource usage, 16 megabytes will be sufficient. You can now start the virtual machine. Start the VM. Follow the on-screen prompts to install Ubuntu, choosing the minimal installation option when prompted. During the installation, select Minimal Installation to install the core features without additional software. Optimize your startup applications by only allowing essential ones to launch upon startup.